So I just turned it back on. Look at that, it's idling very weird now. I'm not sure what that's about. I really don't like that. Also, I'm getting very hot in this. Oh. Okay. So it idles perfectly normal in first gear, but not in neutral. Interesting. Alright, seems fine. I don't know why I was doing that in neutral. It sounded like it was about to bog out or something, but that was weird. Anyways, welcome back to another video. I just finished recording the review of this bike, so now I'm just gonna kind of talk to you guys. Kind of like an update, I guess. Update video. And I guess the only reason I said that is because, so my, oh man, I'm losing my voice. I don't talk this much. My best friend Travis, the one I rode, he has the white Gixxer 750, the one I rode with. He surprised me. There's a bunch of deer. He surprised me and bought me I believe it's a DJI. I believe that's what they're called. I only saw it real quick, and then I hurried up and got on the bike. But he bought me a really nice, high-quality camera, which I'm going to be using once I record these videos. I'm just using the Hero 10 right now because it was ready to go, charged, SD card and everything. But he surprised me and bought me one of those so that I could have higher quality videos. So huge shout out to him, huge thank you to him. I did not expect it. And it's crazy because I was literally having conversations about like improving my quality and stuff, like my videos. And he just randomly texted me one day and asked if I'd be home for a package, and that's what it was. So like, huge thank you and shout out to him. So if you're wondering why the next videos I make after today are going to be like super high quality, that's why. It'll be thanks to him. Now this GoPro records really good quality. Like I like it, but that stuff's even higher, even better from what I've been told and what I've seen. So that'll be really nice to have. What I think I will do is use this GoPro for like rolling shots. Like if I mount it here, point at me, or like down by the exhaust or something like that, mount it somewhere on the bike, I'll use the GoPro because it's less, if it were to fall, it won't suck as much. And I'll use one he got me, mount it to my helmet. Or like sometimes I'll mount it to the mirror or something like that. He got me a mounting kit for it as well. So I'll have to see where I'm going to use it, but geez, this bike is weird. I need a smooth road. This sucks. So the next videos I record should be super high quality. If you know how to switch your quality settings on the video on YouTube, I definitely recommend doing it. But you just hit the little gear symbol up in the corner, and I think it'll automatically set like video setting or quality or something like that. It'll say quality, and you just pick that. If you go to advanced, you can pick the highest one. It should look super good. Okay, so I see what Rick was talking about. I just talked to him on the phone earlier today. We were talking about tire pressure on this bike, and he told me that this is it's built to race. It's like a race bike, so it's kind of built for the track and like drag strips and stuff. And he said, so when you hit bumps and lines and everything, you really feel it. I did not expect this big of a difference. Like he was, again, Rick was right, like put another tally. But this is wild. Like I do not feel bumps this much on my R6. I still feel them, but not nearly as much. With this, I feel like every little thing I hit, I'm like almost bouncing off. Jeez, and he was talking about like the suspension and the shock for these. Now, jeez, I didn't expect this big of a difference. That's definitely something I should have mentioned in the review video, but I didn't really notice it as bad until now. Since I don't really ride on the track, right? I don't really do tracks or drag strips or anything. Is there a way I can change out the suspension in this so I don't feel every bump so much? Because I might, hello, I might do that. This sucks, but I mean it's still fun. It's just I did not expect it to be that bad. Yeah, you're definitely not maneuvering like you would on a 600, that's for sure. I'll have to get the new camera out and mess around with it, kind of look at settings, see how it works, all that stuff. I'll have to get used to it, but then I'll be able to use it from now on to make videos. So I should have really, really high quality stuff, which is what I've always wanted to do. New bike and new camera seems like a pretty big upgrade, if you ask me. I just want to get the best videos out there that I can for you guys. That's definitely a step in the right direction. So again, huge thank you to him, and also again thank you to Rick for helping me with this bike, and everyone else that did. There was a guy in my group chat that tried to help, which I appreciate. Other people on Instagram were trying to offer solutions. I talked to Travis about this bike, a whole bunch of people, and I appreciate all of you. I also appreciate everyone that watched the rebuilding process. Some of those are like some of my most viewed videos, which is pretty nice. The channel's been growing a lot, so thank you to you guys as well. New people that are coming and subscribing and stuff, welcome. Hope you enjoy. Damn, I love this. Part of me is having a hard time right now making videos because, to be honest, I'm just so like speechless, I guess would be the word. Because like I said in the review video, I'm riding one of my dream bikes. Like, I'm riding a bike I've wanted since I was a kid, with $40 in my bank account, to now I'm riding around on a carbon fiber ZX10-R with over 3,400 subscribers and 53,000 Instagram followers. Like, I would have never, that same kid watching the YouTube videos in bed in his parents' house, watching people ride around on H2s and BMWs and ZX10s and stuff, would have never thought this was gonna happen. So like, I'm pretty speechless right now. Just kind of taking it all in, I guess. Like, just the fact that that's like reality, it kind of blows my mind. Like, I've been doing YouTube, I've been doing it like seriously for like 3 years now. So to see that like paying off finally, because if you've taken YouTube seriously, you know that like the first little bit, unless you get extremely lucky somehow, the first little bit is really slow, and it's really hard to stay motivated and keep uploading because you feel like you're doing it for nothing, like you feel like nobody's watching. So now that like I've seen consistent growth and I've seen views, and I'm getting comments from people that are like supportive comments and not just hate comments, but people saying I like motivate them or inspire them, or people saying they love my bikes, or like just compliments. I appreciate all of those. So like when you guys leave those comments and stuff, it really helps me, because I read a lot of hate comments every day. Like, I used to think, oh wow, these people talk about haters way too much, like it's old, it's cringy, why do you constantly bring them up? I see it now. Like, I fully understand why now, because it's a ton. There's so many of them, and they're relentless. Most of them are really, really unintelligent, and will say some things that like it's hard to respond to because it's so dumb, or like you don't even know how to respond. 1 second. Oh. That'll never get old. But yeah, they're like really hard to respond to because they're so dumb. But those people make the compliments and the positive comments and the support 10 times better, because you read so many hate comments. I can read 13 hate comments like, oh, your bike's ugly, oh, it's old as shit, it's a shit bike, you don't know how to ride, your clothes are ugly, you have noodle arms, like all that stuff. But I'll see one person say, this is why I want to ride, or I can't wait to get a bike, or you're the reason I make videos, something like that. That outweighs all of them easily, by far. So when I see things like that, it just feels amazing, and it's really nice to see that. So thank you guys again, genuinely, for getting here, for following me and supporting me and stuff. I really appreciate it. Even just liking a video, leaving a thumbs up, stuff like that, that means a lot to me. So I truly am thankful for all of that, and I really do appreciate it. I know I try to answer all the comments. I'll say things like thank you, or like I appreciate it, and stuff like that, and I truly mean it. I'm not just saying it as like to acknowledge you. I'm not just saying it to be nice. Like I truly, genuinely mean it. When I say thank you guys, I really do. When I say I appreciate it, I mean that. I'm not saying other people don't. I'm just saying like it's genuine. But yeah, everything's been growing lately. The Instagram and the YouTube. Not my bank account, but Instagram and YouTube have been. So it's really, really nice to see the work paying off. I should put this next to the tank for sure. But yeah, genuinely, like, thank you guys so much. And the more we grow, the better I try to do for you guys. So I'm gonna try to get really good videos out there. Try to get really exciting ones too. I said I was speechless, and then I just went on a long rant. So now I'm out of words again. Also, my throat really hurts because, like I said, I don't talk as much. In the past 20 minutes, I've talked more than I have in like 3 weeks. So my throat's a little sore. I'm gonna be careful. This is my first time on my 1000. I will be very careful with it. This is crazy. That feeling will never get old. Yeah, sure, we'll pull over up here. Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap this video up now then. Again, thank you everyone for everything, but thank you for watching this video. Thank you if you left a like, or if you're subscribing or whatever, please do. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hopefully I'm able to get that new camera figured out soon so I can get really good videos up for you guys. And I'm really hoping they turn out well, which I'm sure they will, but it's gonna be trial and error at first. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. I'm probably not gonna make a video of going home right now because I'm not gonna have much to say. So I might have my GoPro like on, but I'm not gonna make a full video because I'm kind of out of words here. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, whenever that is. Later.